Hi everyone, this is Santa Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a Tuesday morning haul. Might be my last one for a little while because next Tuesday it's Christmas, and Wednesday I'm taking my children out for the day, so who knows when I'll get to Tuesday morning. But this is the Merry Days gift wrap book. I have two of them, so I have quite a bit of the Merry Days collection. I only have 2 sheets left of the 12 by 12, which is fine. Some of the paper I didn't really care for. And so my favorite, most of my favorite ones, I think there's one that's missing that's not in here that I really like, the blue hot cocoa one. These are my favorite sheets from that collection. There's some that I really don't care for. So anyway, I really like these. So even though I don't have the paper, I can use the paper. You can just glue this onto some cardstock because it is gift wrap weight. And then you've got... basically, you've got cardstock for days, and then you can wrap presents with it. I mean, you can do a lot with it. So anyway, the number for this is 204805. It's $4.99, so that's pretty exciting. I did find some of this. This is Graphic 45, and this is Penny's Paper Doll Family. So I found the sticker sheet, and it was 2071293. It's $1.49. And they also had tons of, not tons, but quite a few of the single sheet packs of Winter Wonderland. They had 6 or 7, maybe even 8 different papers. Like, I don't know how many sheets are in there, 20, 25 for $3.99. But they're all the same. I'm annoyed by that. So I don't need 20 sheets of the same. So I didn't buy those. So they had Winter Wonderland there, and they also had the same sort of thing in Midnight Masquerade, only a couple sheets, different packs of that. Some of this one as well, and they're all 12 by 12. But I don't know. I don't know why they do that because it's kind of weird. But this, I did get this. This is the Penny's Paper Doll Family in the 8 by 8. Normally $12. It's $4.99. 2071285. Sorry for the rustling. I don't know if I had gotten this. I know I had gotten a lot of the, what is this called? This is Off to the Races. This is Tags and Pockets. $1.99, 2071232. I've gotten this before, but I saw it again, so I just grabbed it. That way I can just feel like I can use it. $1.49, 2045053, and this is from the Maggie Holmes Bloom collection. I'll take this stuff out because this bag rustling is going to drive me nuts. Okay. I have this Bo Bunny die, $5.99, 2057558. All these cool kind of crowns and things like that. I got this one, $1.99, 2022938. I always buy Disney when I see it because I have lots of Disney pictures living so close, and my dad retiring from there. 2029523, $1.99 for the Disney ephemera. Snow and Cocoa, I found these really cool. And I figure even like next year when I pull all my stuff out, then I can have stuff that I also can put together as packs for giveaways too. So this is $1.19, 2064818. And then I found these cool stars from Merry Days, which I hadn't had this season. And this is 2064803. Okay, so now we're on to some other goodies that I found. I did find the ephemera, which I was super excited to find that. $2.19, 2064801. I bought 2 of those. They had a ton. I didn't really want a ton. Did I get 1 of these? I could swear I got 2 of these, but I guess I only got 1, which is weird. I feel like they leave stuff out of my bag like all the time. It's very frustrating. Anyway, I thought I got 2 of these, but I guess I only got 1 because they had a ton of them. This is the Merry Days puffy stickers, for $7.96. It's $1.99. I got these. This is the La La Love. They didn't have paper, so I was kind of sad. But $2.19. 207-1824. And it really, makes me question buying any crepe paper at all, because it might all show up a Tuesday morning. Jolie's Boutique, they had a ton of these, but I just got the one. It's $1.49. 207-1825. They're really dimensional stickers. Really cute. Valentine's Day. I did get this, which is the Pebbles ephemera, and it's called Love Me. 207-1827. Lots of fun things there. I did get this Pebbles XOXO heart stamp. $1.99. 202-8368. Normally $7.99. Yikes. I got this Bow Bunny silver paste. I don't know, glitter paste. So they had a ton of this stuff. 205-7522, $2.99. So I thought I would try out the Bow Bunny paste. And then last but not least, I got two of these, the main squeeze, which actually I think I like better than Fa La La, but I don't know because I haven't seen Fa La La. 6x6, 207-1811, $2.99. So I was pretty excited to find those. They have these same Echo Park paper pads there forever and a day. So I thought, I'm not going to look through them, but something made me go back and look through them, and the main squeeze was in there. So I need to not be so lazy. Anyway, that is my haul. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crying with the Heart.